Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I believe everyone is doing really well. In this video, we are gonna be looking at some of the sentences that we can use with someone who is new to us, who is unfamiliar to us. Uh, so we would be interested to talking to them, talking to the people, those who are new to us. How would we start our conversation? All right. Uh, we need to greet each other. How would we greet to those person? How would I greet to that person? Like the most common one saying, "Hey, how are you doing, buddy? How is it going?" If he is not that friendly, I mean, sometimes it becomes a bit uncomfortable to, address someone as buddy if he is not at your age. So you could only say that, "Hey, how are you doing? How is it going? Is everything going really well?" Okay. We also can say that, "Hey, good morning," if it is morning. All right, good evening if it is evening. Okay, something like that. And we also can use "nice to meet you." All right, it's really great to see you. What's your name? My name is that. What is your name? Can you tell me something about yourself? Are you new here? If he's a new student at your university, you might ask him that. All right, are you a new student? When did you take admission? All right, which year you are in now? Which department are you from? All right, something like that. Uh, and we also use "it's really pleasure to meet you." This is how we can greet each other. We can be introduced to each other. And in another situation, suppose we need some assistance, we need some help. How can we seek assistance or help from other person? We can start by telling, excuse me, buddy, excuse me, man, can you help me? Could you please help me? Can you please help me? Can I have a pen, please? Can I have a paper, please? If you need some water, you are not able to go into that place to bring water, maybe even a bit away from the table where the jug is kept on. You could say by asking help, could you please give me a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Something like that. Or someone is, suppose you are looking for the bus stop, you're looking for a place. I'm looking for the nearest bus stop, I'm looking for that particular shop. All right, I'm looking for that school, I'm looking for that university. Could you please help me to find out that location? Okay. And you want to go somewhere that you are not aware how to go there. You can ask, how do I get to the train station? How do I get to the specific place? Suppose, how do I get to the school? How do I get to the uh, airport? Okay, how do I get to the museum? Something like that. And if someone is asking very fast, if he is not slow, you can ask him by telling the sentence, "Could you please repeat your sentence again? It's a bit you are a bit faster. I can't understand when you speak faster, when you talk faster. Could you please repeat? Could you please repeat again? Could you please make it a bit slower so that I can understand?" All right. This is how we can seek help from others. And if we do something wrong, if it is our bad, then we can say like, "I'm sorry, I don't understand, it's my apology, it's my bad." All right, we can seek apology like this. So this is the situation that we discussed. These are the sentences that we can use when we need to ask for help from someone. Okay. And suppose you are in shopping, you need to shop something, and you need to know the price of a specific or particular stuff, particular thing. And suppose this is a phone. How much does this cost? All right, you need to know the price of this phone. How much does this phone cost? What is the price of this phone? Okay. Um, Suppose you don't like this color, you don't like you don't like the color of this phone, then you can ask for another color. Do you have this in a different color? Do you have this in blue color? Do you have this in white color? Do you have this in red color? Something like that. Okay. And suppose you bought a shirt. Now you want to try it. You want to go for a trial. Then you can ask the staff who would be there, like, can I try this on? Where is the trial room? Could you please show me? Can I try this on? Can I try this dress? Can I try this shirt? All right. And when you were all done, you chose, you selected, you took the shirt. Now it's time to pay the bill. Now you can ask the cashier who would be there to receive money, to receive the payment. Then you have to give your money through the card. All right, credit card. You might ask, do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards or only cash? Okay, do you accept credit cards? Something like that. And suppose you are in a situation in shopping that you are looking for a thing that you are not able to find it out. Then you would go for a staff and you would tell him that I'm just looking for something. I'm just looking for that blue shirt. I'm just looking for that um, black t-shirt, something like that. Okay. And or suppose we're in a situation when the price is too high. Okay, price is too high. We need to have you need to decrease the price a little bit. Can I get a discount, please? Okay, when it's too price, when it's not fixed. In many shops, costs are fixed. Price is fixed. So where the price is not fixed, you might ask that, okay, can I get a discount on this phone? It's too costly. All right, it's too expensive. Can I get it? Can I get a discount? All right. So this is how we can handle the situation in shopping or in asking price. Okay. Now we are in, suppose we are at a restaurant. We are at a restaurant. When you would get into the restaurant, you would be definitely looking for the menu. How would you ask for it to the waiter who would be there? You might ask that, can I see the menu, please? Where is the menu? I want to choose the food. Which item could be uh, best for me? Okay, I want to choose the food. Can I see the menu? Could you please provide the menu so that I can choose the item? And then you chose only, suppose, a coffee. You might say that I would like to order a coffee. I would like to order a coffee. I would like to order just a coffee. Okay, so you can ask that, I would like to order a coffee. I would like to order a pizza. I would like to order a burger. I would like to order a nachos, something like that. um, and suppose you were in a situation where the you went through full of the menu, but you didn't choose even a single one because you are not able to choose. Okay, you feel like to eat everything. At the time you ask for help from the waiter. You might ask him, you might ask the waiter that, what do you recommend? What is the best dish that you serve in your restaurant, at your restaurant? Which one would you recommend? Okay, could you please recommend items so that I can have, that would be delicious for me? Okay. Okay, you are done. Suppose you're done eating. Now it's time to get the bill. How would you tell him? All right, you can ask him by saying that, can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? All right, can I have the bill? Can I have the receipt, please? Okay, the cost, the expense of the food that I ate. All right. Then uh, you might ask, when your food is a bit spicy, a bit hot, you might ask the waiter that, oh, is this dish too spicy? Is this dish too spicy? Or suppose you are choosing a menu, you're choosing an item in your menu. When you saw an item, it might delicious, but at the same time it looks a bit spicy. Okay, then you can ask the waiter, is this dish a bit spicy? Okay, so yeah, this is how we can handle the situation at a restaurant. So these are the actually daily sentences that we can use. First of all, I shared that greetings and introduction, how we would greet each other when we would meet someone who is unfamiliar to us. And at the same time, if I need to ask for help, I need some assistance from someone. All right. How would I ask? We also saw some sentences. All right. And also some, familiar phrases, sentences when we would go for shopping and asking prices. And we also some sentences uh, to use at a restaurant. So I believe this video covered, very important sentences that we can use. Our duty would be to practice regularly. If we do not practice, how much you watch video, it will not work. Your duty would be to practice, 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 practice these sentences in a daily basis. You'll be able to see the improvement. You'll be able to see your improvement very shortly, inshallah ta'ala. Till then, take care. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.